Hello, here is BB Walker. In today's video we will set up this printer from HP. Stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, so first unpack this cartridges. This one is full color and this one is black. Alright, and here are the stickers, so you need to gently remove in such a way and don't touch this. The second one, the same thing, remove this sticker and don't touch this stuff. And now how to open it for changing cartridges. So you need to bring it here and down. And for the first time, if you look inside, this head, printing head, will be hidden. So you need to grab it and move, you know, to be able to see like this. And the basic principle is that color goes on the left side and this black goes on the right side, something like this. Okay. I will show you again how it should look like. So you need to grab it in such a way. Bring it here. And those two are in front of you and this one is going there. So you need to put it like this. And then press and it clicks. And when it clicks, it should look like this. And the same with this black ink. So basically this is the direction, those two here, slide and press. And this is actually everything. So you close it and this is how to install new inks. Some of the features here, this paper will be on this tray, so you can hide it if you don't need. For transporting, you just close, open. Okay. And this is actually the place where you are putting new. So from the factory it's hidden. You are opening it here, here, and this important thing is that this separator should be right to the left if you would like to A4 format. Of course, for a smaller paper you could move it into appropriate. So this is basic setup. This is power cord, of course, and you are installing it. Insert the power cord, which is somewhere here, and you are ready to operate. So thanks for watching. It was BB Walker.
This is BB Walker. BB Walker, and this is my style. This is BB Walker. Don't forget to subscribe. This is BB Walker. BB Walker, this is my style. This is BB Walker. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe.